Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to another day with Zmaleta. Today I'm home and I've decided to buy myself like one of these buildings here. Let me kind of show you guys a closer look of what I'm kind of looking at and the importance of it. I'm trying to have an area that I could work on my sprinters that's going to have a very nice roof height. As you can see, the clearance, there's still about 1 foot maybe left or a couple feet from the back, which is nice. But I backed in kind of far just so I could actually find out for sure like how much room. As you could see, there's about a couple feet, maybe 3 feet of clearance in the front. As you can see, guys, this building is looking actually pretty nice. I'm not sure how much it's going to cost, but I would buy it just like the way it is. I mean, take a look at it, guys. That's like perfect right there. I mean, you know, for a Sprinter, RV, or whatever. I'm kind of guessing it's probably going to cost about like $3,500 maybe. If it is, most likely I'm going to go ahead and set it up with them so they could actually go ahead and come to my place and build one while I'm going to be expediting, and that's it. You know, from the looks of it, it's a pretty simple construction. They probably already have like pre-made stuff, so all they have to do is just install that stuff, boom, 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 put the roof on, and that's it. The beauty of a building like this, guys, is that it is fast, and they're going to be the ones that's going to get the permits. But for me, like, because it's a business property, I need to actually have licensed builders build stuff. I can't just, you know, build stuff myself, which is unfortunate. Otherwise I would do it. But something that size, guys, it's like that would take me like a while to try to build, you know. And they're probably going to come in there and just do it, boom, 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 done, you know. But it is unfortunate that they're closed right now. It says they're going to come back at 2 o'clock. It's like a little bit before 12. They're supposed to be like open from like 10 to 5. So I really don't feel like waiting, so I may just come back again sometime in the afternoon. And when I do, I'm going to make a video and tell you guys how much this thing is. I'm just going to tell them I'm financing it. I'm going to put some kind of down payment, let them go ahead and do it, and probably come back for my trip and just pay it off completely. I could already pay for it cash if I wanted to. I just don't know how much it's going to cost, so I'm just kind of guessing. Hey guys, I found my next real estate investment. Check this out, guys. What a beauty! Guys, all jokes aside, I could actually pay $6,500 cash, and I could actually have this lovely mobile home. It's got a trailer and everything. I'm actually like in one of these brand new like mobile home places, but I told them, I said, look, do you have something that's been maybe like repossessed, something that's old, something that needs a lot of work? They're like, yeah, we get them sometimes. And then I keep talking, and she's like, actually, we got one in the back. It's a white one with black trim. You can't miss it. But guys, this is perfect. I would be tearing a lot of this stuff out anyways. And look, it's wood. It's not even like metal, like, for instance, like that ugly thing. So looking at it, it does have all the plumbing. It does have HVAC system. It does have a water heater in it. It's lovely that it's actually made out of wood on the outside. So let's kind of like walk around, go inside, see what kind of damages we're looking at. Because guys, here's the thing. The business property that you're seeing with my ugly garage, I want to place this right beside it. And when I do, I'll be able to actually create, like, turn this into an office and, you know, that kind of thing. So let's go inside and let's see here. Guys, you're actually going to be quite surprised. This ceiling in here, it's quite tall. I mean, like, if I'm gonna hold like my hand up, the hand would actually touch 8 feet, but this is actually beyond. So this ceiling is actually like 9 feet, which is like something I didn't expect. That means I could leave it as it is. The ceiling is like not even popcorn. But let me show you guys everything that you would expect to fix in this thing for $6,500, and let me know if this is a good deal. So anyways, this is an entry door. This is where you would be walking in. Of course, I would shift it. I would like close it up, probably shift the entry somewhere over here, you know, or maybe like move it a little bit right there. I would replace like all the windows and stuff. Look guys, as you walk in, there's the kitchen and there's an open space. Like, as far as an office, this would be great. Like, I could like put like maybe like a desk over here, and you know, customers would come in or whatever, they could chill over here, like maybe like put some couches and stuff, and you know, I could have like a kitchen. Like for instance, I would be ripping out this entire kitchen, or at least part of it anyways. Like some of the stuff might not need to be ripped out, maybe like the bottom, but all the doors I would rip out. It all depends. I mean, I really don't know what kind of condition this stuff is in. Obviously, it's extremely cheap quality. So let's take a look at one of the bedrooms, I guess. Check it out. So what do we have here? We have a bathroom here. Well, I'm surprised. Looks like this house actually has 2 bathrooms. And we have some kind of hall closet. And then we're having like this little room back here. Looks like it's got an office desk. Possibly this place was used as an office. It does have some kind of this type of drywall, which you could see it's very thin. R11 insulation. Of course, a closet, you know, and that kind of thing. Most likely, if I would be getting it, most likely tear the closet out, just turn into this like one single space. Probably shift the door over just to make it kind of, you know, like a little bit nicer, I guess. So let's check it out, the rest of the place. Here we have like a patio door, and we have in the heating system. Looks like here's the evaporator. I'm not sure, I mean, why is it like all rusted like this? There's the hood and everything, the blower assembly. This looks a lot like my unit. So then we have, looks like washer and dryer connections here, like a little things there. And this is the bedroom with an open stylish bathroom here, with like a sink and stuff, and there's another tub. So this obviously is like a master bedroom. So it's quite interesting, I guess, to say the least. So obviously it does have a lot of potential. Here's a water heater. The water heater looks actually pretty nice. It seems like somebody recently replaced it. It kind of looks like an Energy Star unit. It is, yeah, energy savings, 6-year warranty. But anyways, guys, it's not bad. This is, yeah, there's a toilet right there. So it looks like there's an electric panel right here. There's, I don't know, it seems pretty good. It's got everything labeled and everything, so like nothing missing. So leaving kind of from the bathroom, looks like there's like another closet. There you go. It's kind of like almost like his and her closet. This would be probably her closet. That's probably the idea here. This is obviously like more walk-in. Ladies have a little bit more clothing, and that's probably a guy closet. Which is, I'm a little surprised that they actually have this here. But guys, let's look at the negatives now. This thing needs a lot of work. Obviously somebody already tried to do something, but this floor is plain and stuff. But it does have, obviously, you know, the ducts and stuff has got like central heating and stuff. What I would do is I would like replace all this kind of stuff. And this is obviously laminate flooring. I could feel some play in it, probably due to some moisture or whatever. And everywhere I walk, I could feel it playing. So I would be actually tearing all this stuff out and replacing the tile. All of this drywall, like I see like a bunch of holes in here. Most likely, a lot of it I would rip out anyways, replace it with the normal stuff, especially if I would be like replacing the windows. But let me see here, is this single pane? Yeah, this is single pane windows. Obviously they would go, but somebody actually made it kind of like a dual pane, which is kind of interesting. They have windows here and over there, so it's kind of like dual pane, but no gas. So what do you think, guys? $6,500, is this a good investment? And they said as it is, so that means I would be getting all these appliances that I wouldn't necessarily care to get. Looks like there's a key here. Like, I mean, I really don't care about this appliances. I just want to be able to have an office. So anyways, guys, excuse me for like my red eyes. As soon as I made it home to South Carolina, allergies just kicked in like crazy. I'm thinking, man, like my eyes are itching like crazy. But guys, on my business property, I'm not allowed to really build anything unless I am licensed builder, or I have to hire like licensed contractors. So getting something like this, which is already done, I could just go ahead and install it and just to do the renovations. That's it. I already have bathrooms and stuff. So opening up a business, kind of like a car dealership or something, this would be ideal. They would need some kind of walk-in, you know, like in a bathroom that you could actually walk in, and should be like wheelchair accessible. So I think I could actually have that, because there is several bathrooms here. Looking at the other bathroom and stuff, I'm kind of like thinking, you know, like, I don't know if this is wheelchair accessible, but there's probably a way to do it. I mean, there is this closet here, and the way the door is, I kind of don't like how that is. Most likely, this is what I would do. I would knock out that closet, place maybe like a door right here, and probably do like a wall from here, and just make all this an open space. Probably turn in like this with like some kind of door or whatever. I would do something to where it's going to be wheelchair accessible, and if it's necessary to remove the bathtub to make it so, I would actually do that. So who knows? Well, maybe I could just open that up and, you know, whatever, but it needs to be like a 3-foot door. Okay, the lights, they don't work in here. You could congratulate me. I bought this beautiful mobile home here for $5,000. Yeah, it's all mine. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Serge, for helping me make this deal happen, because you told me the right price to get it for, and it's done. I'm actually so excited, guys. I know, mobile home, nothing to be excited about, but guys, come on. I don't have to build it now. Look, it's a big box. Now I could remove the windows, put new ones in, doors, put new ones, you know, put a new kitchen, put a new refrigerator and stuff like that. Guys, it even came with appliances. Can you believe that? If I knew any better, I'd probably take some silver paint and just paint my appliances silver. Stainless steel, guys. Be a cool mobile home guy. But anyways, guys, the rear end of it, like in my decision, like the way I'm seeing it, guys, this is going to be backed up right up against my garage that's currently there on my business property. So this means the front is not going to be that side of the building, but it's going to be this side of the building. This is the ugliest part of this mobile home here. It is the rear portion, which is great. Now I could actually start right in this portion. Oh, look, outlets, great. So that's going to be in the front. Basically, guys, all I have to do is remove all these windows here and that ugly door, and just make a really nice entry, nice and presentable. Maybe create some kind of, man, I could like some kind of roof up over there, like something, maybe like some columns or something, to make it look just a little bit more modern. I know I cannot really turn it into a house, and it's not. This is actually going to be my office. So I'm excited. I just wished about actually getting this like last week, and I was actually asking Serge, I'm like, you know, what do you think about this idea? Is this dumb? Is this smart? What do you think? Should I just build something new? And he says, look, this is the smartest thing you could do, is buy something like this and use it as an office. I mean, it's pretty much a box. You could convert it into an office, and I actually did not expect to actually get appliances inside, you know, getting a water heater, which looks like new. The HVAC system looks very old, but it's okay. I have spare parts now, because Mason is sending me, well, we're gonna bring it together from Canada, the complete hookup. He's hooking me up with the whole gas system for the water heater on demand, and heating and cooling for the house. So Mason, thank you so much for that blessing. So that's actually gonna go in my home, and so that means I'll actually have spare parts for this home, you know. So so yeah, I'm happy. It's done. It's finally done.